Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharayu and welcome to my videos. Today I'm making a video regarding skin health as most of you asked me to make a video on this. So let's begin. Skin is the largest organ of your body. It not only protects you but also has a very important function other than this, and that is it is the most important indicator of health. So when anything goes wrong inside your body tries to throw it out, and the first canvas is your skin. So be it pimples, be it eczema, psoriasis, any eruptions, anything first appears on the skin, it is an indicator that अंदर कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, and you need to find that root cause and treat it. Locally अगर आप ointments लगा रहे हो, cream लगा रहे हो, for that period of time it will go away, but the cause has not been treated, trust me. So how to deal with any skin problem या how to have a very good skin? So 5 things you need to pay attention to. These are the normal discharges of your body which needs to be thrown out regularly. Right. So it is urine, bowels, your sweat, tears and menstrual blood. So these need to be thrown out regularly, and when these are regulated, your skin is perfectly healthy and your health is like very in a good state, you can say. But if any obstacle appears in these 5 processes, you can see that somewhere something goes wrong and your skin starts getting affected first. So how to take care of your skin, and whether to go for cosmetological procedures or to take medicines internally, कहाँ जाना है या दोनों साथ में करने हैं, you know. तो ये बहुत लोगों का प्रॉब्लम होता है कि उनको समझता नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली हमको ये कैसे ट्रीट करना है, हाउ टू डील विद द स्किन प्रॉब्लम. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी इवेंट टू अटेंड, अगर कुछ ओकेजन है तो यूजुअली लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ओकेजन इवेंट है तो दे गो फॉर एनी कॉस्मेटोलॉजिकल प्रोसीजर. तो एसिड पील, स्किन पील्स हो, स्किन पॉलिशिंग, डर्माब्रेजन हो, एट्सेट्रा. सो दे गो फॉर इट एंड यू गेट द रिजल्ट्स. तो अगर आपको ये चाहिए कि फटाक से मुझे रिजल्ट्स मिल जाए, मुझे ये इवेंट में जाना है, आई हैव टू लुक एस्थेटिकली ब्यूटिफुल, यू गो फॉर एनी कॉस्मेटोलॉजिकल प्रोसीजर्स एंड यू विल गेट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स इज आपने ये सब सीटिंग्स ले लिए, पर कुछ महीनों के बाद, कुछ वीक्स के बाद या फिर आफ्टर दैट डे इन द नेक्स्ट वीक यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग दोज सिम्टम्स बैक. वापस एक हाथ दूसरा पिम्पल आ जाता है एंड स्टार्ट स्प्रेडिंग, या वो ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद वापस कंप्लेंट्स चालू हो रहे हैं, एंड देन यू गेट वरीड दैट व्हाई इट्स नॉट गोइंग, आई हैव लाइक स्पेंड सो मच ऑफ मनी ऑन दिस एंड इट्स कमिंग बैक अगेन एंड अगेन. सो लेट मी टेल यू, द कॉज इज समवेयर एल्स and that's why it is appearing. When you do any acid peeling on the skin, on the surface of the skin, so there is this bacteria, okay, P. acne, which is present on the skin. Now this bacteria gets destroyed with that acid peeling, ठीक है, और ये वापस you get prone to developing that P. acne on your skin. So just go back and start like thinking कि ये P. acne actually आपके skin पे आया कहाँ से? How come you got prone to this acne thing? So the answer is within you. There is something which went wrong in your health, and that's why you got prone to getting acne or pimples which are not going away, right? So you need to take medicines internally to deal with the root cause of that problem. So taking medicines internally is very important, and homeopathy reigns supreme in all such chronic skin cases, be it eczema, psoriasis, acne, any eruptions, urticaria, anything. Now what does homeopathy do? Your health is like an oscillating pendulum, I can say. It keeps oscillating. Nobody on this entire earth is 100% healthy who has no complaint, no any other disease. ऐसा होता नहीं है. That's ideal health, you can say. You know, it is not possible. So that pendulum keeps oscillating across the equilibrium. And what does homeopathy do? It tries bringing this pendulum closer to the equilibrium. haywire नहीं जाना चाहिए. It should be as close to equilibrium as possible, and that's what homeopathy does. मतलब अगर एक आधा पिम्पल भी आ गया, it goes back on its own. आप मेडिसिन ले रहे, it goes away, it doesn't come back. So that happens because of the internal physiological processes. कुछ changes अंदर हो रहे हैं जिसके वजह से थोड़ा सा कुछ बदलाव आ जाता है, and that's completely fine. You have to support the physiology inside. You cannot go against it, right? Just what you need to do is reduce the friction during this process. अगर कहीं पे कुछ गलत हो रहा है, कुछ excess में secrete हो रहा है, that needs to be controlled with the help of homeopathy. So I hope you got a clearer perspective regarding how to actually deal with your skin problems, what you want, what you expect out of yourself. You need what do you say, a short term but quick result, or you need a long term but good result. It's up to you. It's up to your requirement. अगर आपको अभी ये चाहिए तो you go for it, and then you can shift for internal medicine, because you cannot keep treating anything just locally without addressing the root cause. And keep in mind the 5 discharges which needs to be thrown out regularly. So if there is anything wrong happening in this, you should address it and you should get it treated as soon as possible.